In this video, let's see how we can bootstrap data into our entities using Excel files. So first thing first, you create an application, give it any color scheme that you like, upload an icon and all. Build a module. Inside the module, you may have some entities which you may want to bootstrap using Excel files. Now, in this case, if the entity is there, you can right click on it, go to advanced, and you see there is an option to create an action to bootstrap data from an Excel file. Click on it, pick up the table that has similar columns in there. Just make sure that this file is not open already. Okay, if it's open, you may see some error about file access by two different programs, something like that. If everything is okay, go ahead and proceed. What the platform does behind the scenes, it creates a bootstrap function for you. You can go ahead and explore what's inside. Basically, it reads the Excel file, runs a for each loop, and it creates a record for each of those record read from the Excel file. Now this piece of server action will get triggered and run from timers. Timers are similar to batch jobs in our systems. And here you can see how the platform has created a bootstrap function for customers. If you click on it, you can see the properties that is tied to the bootstrap action that you're seeing here from Logic tab, and it's scheduled to run when the application is published. Of course, this can be changed to any other time that suits, right? There are other ways also of importing data from Excel sheets. For example, you can just right click on database. There's an option for importing new entities from Excel sheets. Very convenient. You can click on it and just select the table. Platform is able to import and create the entities right away for you. So even there's no need to create these attributes by yourself. Platform will create these attributes and give them a data type that according to the data in the Excel sheets. You can of course change it afterwards. Even better, if you're someone who prefers drag and drop, platform allows that. So if you have data in Excel sheets, you can just drag and drop the Excel sheet on top of the tab, not here, not there, not anywhere else, but right on top of the tab. Okay, drop it there. Similar way it allows you to import, and your table is there. Okay, just to make sure the data is imported, we can go onto the interface, maybe create a blank screen so that we have something to show. And in case you want to display data, let's say from supplier, just drag and drop it here, publish it. This is where, as you know, platform is executing all the batch jobs here, the timers for customers, for products and suppliers. And in the end, it's ready. Let's launch in the browser to see our data. Data is not there. Most probably the job is running. Let's give it a refresh. Still not there. Still running. Finally. Got it. So there you go. Thanks for watching.